Hello and welcome back to hubgrass meditation. My name is Ashley and we are doing an inside out joy inspired meditation today. If you've been following hubgrass or magic and wellness for a long time, you know we talk a lot about vitamin J or vitamin joy, the most important nutrient so many people are missing, which is why Joy is one of my absolute favorite characters. I'm ready to dive into how she looks for joy in Riley's life and then also how she learns to blend joy with other emotions. Let's get into it. When you're ready to begin, find a comfortable position. It can be sitting or lying down, as long as you feel grounded and supported. Feel free to move around and adjust as needed, and when you're ready, gently close your eyes. If that doesn't feel comfortable to you, you can soften your gaze down towards the tip of your nose, and we'll start by taking a slow, deep breath in and out. Again, inhaling slowly and exhaling through the mouth. One more time, breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the mouth. Let your breath settle into a natural rhythm. No forcing, no controlling, just breathing. And as you sit here, bring to mind the energy of a smile. And if it feels comfortable to do so, you can bring a soft smile to your face, even if it's barely there. Not because everything feels perfect right now, but just to introduce a little joy. And as you hold that gentle smile, bring to mind Joy. She's bright, energetic, creative, always moving, and always trying to keep things positive. Her goal is to always make sure Riley feels happy. And there is something so beautiful about that. The way she shows up, the way she cares, the way she works so hard to protect happiness. Because in her mind, if she can keep things happy, then everything will be okay. And as we sit with that energy, feel connected to your breath. No need to change it, just observing it. Now, Joy thinks if she can keep things happy, then everything will be okay. She pushes, she redirects, she reframes, and she tries to turn every moment into something good. And honestly, that's kind of heroic. Trying to protect Riley's joy like that. A lot of us can really relate to that. Trying to make sure the people we love feel okay. Trying to stay positive, pushing through, keeping things light, even when something underneath doesn't feel that way. And if you've felt that before, place a hand on your chest and sit with that. Inhaling and exhaling. Noticing what that feels like in your body. The effort that can take. No judgment, just noticing. Breathing in and breathing out. And as we go through Riley's journey, we see how hard joy pushes for this. And you can see where she starts to let that effort soften. And if it feels right for you to do so, soften those shoulders down back away from the ears. Because you don't have to hold everything up right now. And right now, you don't have to make everything feel okay. Relaxing heavier down into your seat, feeling the relief of just being, just for this moment. And we see what Joy learns. No matter how hard she tries, she can't control every feeling. She can't stop sadness from showing up, or fear, or disgust. They're all part of the experience, part of being human. And take a slow, deep breath in with that. And out through the mouth. Letting that pressure just leave the body. Accepting all the emotions instead of pushing them away. And noticing how that feels. It can feel a little uncomfy, a little heavy. You don't have to name it, and you don't have to fix it. Just letting it exist. Breathing in and breathing out. And we're going to bring the energy of that slight smile again to the face. And if you don't feel like making a real smile, that's okay. Just bring the energy. Not to cover anything up, but to let something else in. Something lighter, something softer, a small moment of joy. Because you don't have to choose between feeling good and feeling something hard. You can hold both. And breathing into that. You're capable of feeling the heaviness, the lightness, the stress, and the small smile. Because that's what Joy realizes, that the most meaningful moments in Riley's life, they're layered, they're mixed, and they're a blend. Moments where there are sadness and joy, fear and disgust, actually make joy shine brighter. Feeling those moments deeper. So with joy, instead of trying to create a perfect, happy feeling, we're going to allow this moment to be what it is. A mix. A blend. And staying here with that feeling for just a few breaths. Feeling your breath move in and out. And that slight smile still resting on your face. Not forced, just present. And as we breathe with this feeling, notice how that feels different. Less pressure, less forcing, more space, more grounding. going to take one more slow, deep breath in and out. And when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back. And as you move back into your day, don't forget to take a little vitamin J with you, your daily dose of joy, exactly as you are.